If you're looking for dogs' flea shampoos, here's a collection you've got to see. Pet Lover Channel. Top 10 Dogs Flea Shampoos Products. Number 1, by Paws and Pals. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Adams. Number 3, by Hartz. For more details about these dogs' flea shampoos products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Sentry Pet Care. Number 5, by Hartz. Find these dogs' flea shampoos at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by SynergyLabs. Number 7, by Adams. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Clean. Number 9, by a rather Dead Sea Pet Spa. Discover more dogs' flea shampoos ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Natural Care.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.